Hi guys, it's Newfie Loves Luxury and Makeup, and she's an old lady. Well, I'm not that old, but I am 50. So yeah, today you're seeing me just looking just lovely. Look how lovely. No. So, you know, I just wanted to do a video because I wanted to talk about a couple of makeup things I bought, and I thought, well, I might as well show you what they look like if I can. Of course, nobody likes being with no makeup on camera, or I certainly do not. I do not like being this close with my neck. Anyway, let's move on from that, and just want to say thank you to those who have subscribed. If you haven't, please like and subscribe and comment below, and share with your friends. And again, apologies for this. This is real. So if you've watched any of my videos, you would know that I've had some weight loss, significant weight loss. I do have this turkey neck happening. I still have quite a bit to lose, but for some reason I've put on about 2 or 3 kilograms. I'm not happy with that because that should not happen. I've lost 44 kilograms. Anyway, that's a whole nother story, isn't it? So today I'm just going to bring this camera a little bit closer. I know. And I'm going to show you eye bags, skin, everything. So I'm 52 years old. I'm not a makeup artist, and I just like playing. And I just bought some makeup. So I'm sorry if this is a very, what is the words that would be correct? Non-professional, but it's a very real try of some of these products, and I want to show those products. So I'm going to try to go off camera for that because anyway, we'll see how we go. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and take my glasses off, and I'm going to apologize in advance for the bags. I don't know what I'm apologizing for. That's age, right? And I have not had any work done whatsoever. I would like to get that operated on, and I don't even know why I'm talking about that. So let's get into the products. So I went to Adelaide, I went shopping. You might have seen my Tiffany video, check that out if you haven't. And I went to MECCA and I went to Sephora, which I do. Adelaide is about an 8-hour drive from where I live, so it was fun to go in there. I bought some products that are probably quite old, but I just thought I liked them, and I'm sure there's certainly other people out there that walk into Sephora, walk into MECCA and go, oh, that looks nice, and buy it and wonder what it's like. So it doesn't matter how old the product is, we can still look at them and we can still have fun with them and we can still review them. It doesn't have to be the newest and the best product, does it? All right, so enough babbling aside. I'm going to show you first of all some of the products that I've opened them, so I don't have to muck around with the packaging today because, oh my God. So the first one I bought was the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and it's the Airbrush Bronzer 2. Now the lady in there who was around my age swore by this. I've got a number of bronzers. I've got a few I like. I do like that this is the big pan. It's got a mirror there. It is quite large. I don't know how much is in it though. We say that, but it's probably got the same. I should look at that. 56 ounce. I should have a look at that on my other bronzers to see if it's just the clever marketing that this is just a big, don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I like it. So we're going to try that this morning. Hope I've bought the right brushes. One of the other products that I bought is the Too Faced. Now this has been out for a while. I've had my eye on it for a while and I thought, oh, but Major Love. So what I liked about this is I do like the packaging. I think it's really nice. It's good size to travel with. It's fun. I think it's really fun. And I very much like the colours in this. And the reason being, if you watch anything, I love a green. I would buy a whole palette just for a lovely green. But I like the pinks, the greens, the gold. I mean, I thought it was a really good colour selection for such a small palette, and really nice. And I have used this, so I'm going to show you. I used it when I was in Adelaide. I really like it. The other product that I bought, I'm just trying to think, I probably bought others, was this. And I know this has been out for years because when I got home, I'd never heard of it. I got home and I YouTubed it myself. And I was like, oh, this YouTube's like 5 years ago on this product. Why have I never heard of it? but I haven't. Anyway, it's called, I assume that's Stilla? I don't know. Anyway, this one is Heaven's Hue Highlighter Illuminator, and it's called Kitten. So it's the pinkish colour, and oh my god, that I wish the camera could pick up how soft. I've never touched anything that was so, I know this sounds ridiculous, but I was just like, that is so soft. I don't know if you can see that. But also I think for me, with older skin, although my skin's pretty good except for sagging under the eyes, which, to be honest, I would love to get that fixed, but only surgery will do it apparently. I've just swiped that on my hand. Wowee. Oh, there's a pen mark. There it is. Although I do like, and I always say, you can wear whatever you want, doesn't matter what age you are. You can wear, I mean, I like to wear lots of glittery eye shades, and I think it's fun to play with makeup. But the one thing I don't love is glitter here. I prefer it just to be a sort of a shimmer, I like, you know, and look really nice. And I know you can put lots of products underneath, but there's nothing better than having a beautiful shimmer. And this wasn't badly priced. I can't actually remember the price. I think it was maybe, no, I can't remember. I'll try and put the prices and the products below. Anyway, I thought that was really nice. Equally, this has been around for a while, and I do have another one which I've brought in here with me. But this Clinique blush, and this one is 15 Pansy Pop. I bought one of these. I'm going to show you how dirty it is so you know I've used it. It's crazy. I bought one of these. This was the 06 Garnet Pop, and I loved it so much. As you can see, I've used this and used this. It's probably my most used blush because I just like how it goes on. It's soft, it spreads lovely. But when I found this one, I thought, oh yeah, I'll give it a go. There was a few of them. I love it even better. This is now my new favourite. I'm going to buy a few of these just in case they discontinue them. I love it when they start. They look like a flower. After I've used it to death, it's not so flowery. Kind of still. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that because I rave about this. I think this is stunning. I'm definitely going to buy more of that colour. Now, the other thing I bought, which I have bought before, is this Dewy set. Or Dewy setting spray. I think it's from Anastasia. It is. One, I love the bottle in my makeup room, but that's not actually why. I don't think I've ever used a setting spray all the way to the bottom and thought, oh my god, I'm out. I've just had different ones sitting around and I've just kept using them, and then they probably expire. I don't know what happens. But this one I like so much. I used it all the way to the bottom, and this I bought out of necessity that I actually needed it. I needed to replace it because I'd finished it. I couldn't believe it, which made me think, oh my god, I must love this. So I just wanted to share that and say, go get this because this is fabulous. This is the larger one. There's a smaller one. I think this was $50, which is probably a lot for a setting spray. That's Australian dollars. And the last thing I bought, which I actually haven't opened yet, but I'm going to, was the Hourglass. Let me open it. It's called Strobing Light or something. So it's similar to that Stilla one. It's the highlighter. I'm just going to take that out. Put that box over there. I haven't used this one yet because I was so excited with this one that I've been using that. So, you know, again, it's nice enough packaging. It's got a cute little mirror. And I'm sorry about that light. Yeah, I think it's my hand. Anyway. So you can see this is soft, but it's nowhere near as soft as that other one. But I actually picked this up first and she recommended it. To me, it looks, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a bit, it's powdery. It's a little bit like powder in relation to this one, which is like a soft gel-ish. I'll just try to show you this. Can you see the difference? It's definitely powder. Interesting thing is though, although one looks so stunning and one looks like powder that you wouldn't, well, I wouldn't buy, when you actually put them on, they both turn sort of powdery and then sort of blend in. So we're going to have a look at that. Oh, this neck's driving me mad. We're going to have a look at that a bit closer up. So, should we just have a little play? Guys, this is nice and close up. All right, let me just see. as you can see, I definitely have these large bags under my eyes. I have tried everything. I use really good cream at night, during the day. I mean, if anybody outside of surgery has got any ideas, please tell me what they are, because this is, I know we age, but this is really aging me. I really hate this. I hate this, but I understand it because of the weight loss. This is just, I hate it. I really hate it. And in some ways my glasses cover, but I still really hate it. That's one thing I would do. Anyway, I'll stop bubbling. So, can we just talk about this? I'm just going to try to put it on my face. Now, I have got the tiniest bit of bronzer here. It's the Patrick Tar, you know, the cream one, because I didn't put makeup on this morning. So I'm just going to try to see. I think this is what I would call, oh no, what's going on? I was going to say it's probably more subtle, and I probably cheated by having a bit of that Patrick Tar on, didn't I? This is, you definitely can build this up. Definitely. Yeah. It's pretty nice though, isn't it? It blends nice. Certainly, yeah. Anyway, I think that's very nice. I think that's a good purchase. What I really want to show you now that I've done that, really, is this Colour Pop Pansy Pop. Is that my new one? Yes. Oh, it's so nice. Now I'm not going to go crazy because I'm not going out anywhere. Now I like to put mine high, but this gives just this subtle, you could build it up, but I'm not, a subtle little pinkish, I don't know if you can see it. All I can see is my bags, but look. I probably really need to get a good light behind me when I do this. And I do have one, I just didn't turn it on. Anyway, trust me when I tell you, it is stunning and I love that. Now while I'm on the face, before I go to my eyes, just to show you, I'm not going to do a full makeup. I really want to show you this. So I'm going to put it on with my finger. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's not funny, is it? Now, you would think, I know I'm putting this on probably wrong. I'm going to actually use that brush a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but you probably could. I'm going to try it with the brush. You know, usually you wouldn't have to put this much on, I wouldn't have thought. But let's have a look. Can you see that? I hope you can. It is definitely there, whereas that's not. Can you see that? Of course I'm not doing a full makeup look. Let's try the other side with the Hourglass one. I wish I got that Hourglass eyeshadow kit, or was it a face kit, whatever it was. It was lovely. So again, this is the one that looks powdery. However, when you put it on, I'm going to try that with a brush as well. Try and come up close. Oh, that's a terrible view. It looks like I'm hairy. I'm not. You know that if you look at anybody up close, I still think the other one's better. I don't know. I don't even know if you can see the light. Can you see it? I think the other one's better. Oh, I think this one's better. Just my opinion. Okay guys, so one more thing and then we'll close the video out. That's this cool little Major, what's it called again? Major Love Too Faced. I'm not going to do a full eye look. I'm just going to show you some of these colours because they're so pretty. So I'm going to, which should I show you though? Maybe I'll do one on each eye. I'm going to start off with that pink because I just want it light here. Yeah, it's so easy to blend. It's so nice. It just goes on, maybe it goes on my skin colour really nicely, but see that? Now I don't want to put much on today because I'm really not going out, so I'm going to try the green because you know I always talk about the green. I actually really like this green. Sorry, I don't want to put that in front of. Hopefully you can see this. Now, I wouldn't normally do it like this, but I just want to really show you the colour. Now, I've put that on pretty light. I haven't packed that at all. You might be thinking, yes, you have, you bloody idiot. I haven't. Not what I'd normally do. I do full. Look at those bags. It's all I can see. Anyway. What do you think of the colour? Like, I know it's a very basic look. Very basic. Very, very basic. Now, I didn't bring my little swoosher in. I've got this little thing that you can clean your brushes in. It's really cool. Anyway, so I'm going to attempt to clean the brush. Let's just quickly put some colour. So this time I'm going to just try the lighter one here. I don't normally always do lighter ones. I usually do darker here, so it's really weird. I'm doing the opposite of what I'd normally do. That's still going to have some colour from the other eye. Anyway, the whole reason is because I want to show you these. Will I do the orange or do the gold? I'm going to do the gold because I really like the gold. Maybe I could do a little bit of both. I just want to show you. This is a little palette, and remember those ones that I got? Oh God, I paid a fortune. That was shit. I was so annoyed. And then I was duped with my Jeffree Star pack. Anyway, stop whinging. But this little beauty goes on really easily. Now, I don't know if the camera's picking up as lovely as it is in real life. And of course, I'm just giving you a little, look how beautiful that is. I haven't even tried to do anything. I'm just gonna put a little something there because I don't know, I can't take all the lightness. Anyway, put a little something there too, just whatever I've got left on the brush. What do you think? Honestly, for the price, I think it's a fabulous palette. I really like all the colours in it. You can do different looks. I've done the most simple eye colour just to show you. I'm still raving, by the way. Oh, I did buy another couple of products. Oh, I forgot to bring them in. That's okay. Put them into another video. Anyway, I've got to put my glasses back on and move you guys back. Don't want to be close-up newfie. I'm going to take this out. My hair is an absolute mess today because I need to have a shower. I need to wash my hair. Anyway, guys, gosh, I look feral, don't I? Do you use the word feral in America? Here, it means like, well, in Australia, if I heard the word feral, I'd think, it's probably a really derogative term, actually. I don't even want to say what I'll think. I think you can guess. I don't even have lipstick on. I don't know what's happening in my life. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed these products. These are ones that all of them I would recommend, outside of maybe the Hourglass. I think it's a bit... but this little gem that's been around forever, it's fantastic. It's really good. It's probably not as highlighting as I'd like. You put it on and it kind of gives it a little bit. The It Cosmetics has a beautiful clear gelish highlighter, and it's the one that for me stands out. You know, like you can just see the light reflecting on it, but it certainly doesn't have any colour or pigmentation to it, and it would appear that the most popular ones seem to have. I don't know why that is. Anyway, I forgot to use this little chestnut, which I'm going to use. Oh my god, they're so nice, so nice. The other one I like in a setting spray is the Geralique. It's an Australian brand. It's actually also made in Adelaide. Not that I'm from Adelaide, I'm from Victoria. It's amazing. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry about close-up newfie, crazy hair, no lip product, no jewelry, just me. Anyway, I am going to go and have my Macca's coffee from McDonald's here in Australia that my mum just bought me, and I will talk to you later. And please like and subscribe. Bye.